Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In this video, it's going to be a little different, background. I'm going to do my first ever Shein haul. So if you're interested, keep watching and let's do it. Alright, let's get started. So I love spring, summer dresses and everything. So that's what I went for. So I'm going to bring out a little haul. Now, I didn't know about the sizes for this stuff because all the models on there are extra small. And I'm not an extra small. But we're going to see if they fit. I don't know. Hopefully some of it fits. I don't know. But let's get started. So the first item I pick up is going to be this. It's all individually wrapped. Is pretty neat, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so this is a dress. It's a real pretty springy dress. Really pretty. It feels like it's nice material. I'm pretty surprised by the fabric. It's kind of like ribbed right at the arms. And has a scrunchy waist. I will have my sizes and everything down below. The size that I got in this, it says US 810. So hopefully it fits. So I'm going to go try it on. Alright, this is the first piece and I absolutely love it. It's so cute. It fits everywhere. It's a little busty, so if you have to tie the string right here because it's a little open, but once you tie it, it closes it right there. I love how the little shoulders have that little flare right there, and the arms are super cute. Let me show you the length. This is the length of it. Super cute, super cute. I was worried that it was going to be too short, but it is not. Now, I am 5'6", so let's keep that in mind. I am 5'6", but this is so cute. I'll give you some close-ups. It's like this real silky, it feels real silky. It's not cotton at all. So it's super cute. You could dress it up with some heels, or you could use some flats and, dress down. I think it's super cute for my first one. Hopefully all work out for me. So let's jump into the next outfit. Oh, I also want to show you what I was sent. Isn't this so beautiful? This is so pretty. This is Rose Forever, New York. So this was sent to me. This is a velvety box, and then it comes with the rose color of your choice. And it lasts up to a year, the roses. I picked white roses. So pretty. I was sent this for free. It is a gifted item, but I wanted to share this with y'all. It's so pretty, especially for Mother's Day or any kind of day, Valentine's Day, whatever you want. It's so pretty and it smells so good, y'all. So good. I will leave the link in the description box if y'all are interested in this. This is really pretty, really pretty. If you want, you can get $20 off if you use my code Sarah-B. So I will leave it in the description box, but I just wanted to show y'all because it's so pretty. And thank you to Rose Forever, New York, for sending this to me. Thank you. Look how cute that looks right there. Alright, so let's get on and let me jump into something else. Alright, so the next thing I pick up is going to be this. I will say that the shipping, I think it took like 3 weeks for me to get this, but I don't care. I mean, it's really, the prices are so cheap. So this is the next item I picked up. What is this? I don't even remember. It looks like it's a wrap dress. The material is really nice. And look how flowy the little pieces are. It looks like it's well made, and then it does adjust. So if you need to adjust the top, you can adjust that. Well, let's try it on and see what it looks like. Alright, this is that dress. Obviously, it does not fit in the top. So if you're busty, it's not going to fit. Now, I don't know if you can wear this with, like your bathing suit to wrap it around. It looks really cute. Like, I love the bottom. I just wish the top fit. So I might have to go, a size up just because of the top. So I definitely could have went with an extra large for this. Because the top does not, like, if I open this, it's just gonna be like, ow. So yeah, and I couldn't even pin this because it just wouldn't look right. I don't think so. Like, I don't know, maybe I could pin it, but this is what it looks like. Super cute. It is super cute though, super cute. All right, let's pick up the next item. It's another, look how pretty these colors are. So pretty. It's another one of those, like, polyester. It's not cotton at all. It looks like it's kind of made just like that other dress. But it's a little different. It has a little tie right here. So hopefully it fits. It's got the ribbed sleeves, the little... So let's go ahead and try it on and see what it looks like. Alright, so this one is definitely a little bit plungy too. Not as bad as the other one, but if you have a pin, you could definitely close her up if you would like to and still have that little cleavage. This one is a little shorter than the other one, but it still fits me. But keep in mind, I'm only 5'6". I'll show you the bottom, how it fits. Super cute, super flowy. I like it. It is super cute. Super cute. That's this one. It has like this wrap right here. It's like a fake wrap, which I definitely like. What do y'all think about this one? Super cute? Well, alright, let's pick up the next item, which is going to be... I know you can see my bra. I have to get a little, like, double-sided boob tape. Alright, so the next one is this. Look how pretty these colors are. Oh, this one's nice and flowy. Whoa, what the heck? Alright. I don't know. Have to figure it out. It definitely has the ruffles. And then it looks like it's like the back is kind of open. And it is longer than the other ones that I tried. So, really nice. It's got that same fabric. It's not cotton. So, let's try her and see what she looks like. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I think I really like this one. This is one of my favorite ones. Definitely would have to tie it a little better, but this is how the back looks. I know you can see my bra. You could wear like a strapless bra. But this band right here, it's supposed to cover it. I just have to tie it better. But it looks super cute and flowy. So it's longer, super cute. I like it. It's super cute. I love how it's got the ruffles. It fits really good right here. So, let's see. The next item I pick out of the bag is going to be this. Look how cute. It's yellow. Love it. Oh, well. I don't know. It looks very see-through, like it's very thin. It's that same material, very polyester, no cotton, but it's the style is super cute. It's got a zipper right here for the back, and then it looks like it's going to be off the shoulder, and then it's got this pull thing in the front. So let me go ahead and change bras and see what it looks like. So this is this one. I absolutely love it. So you could actually wear it like on your shoulders a little bit, or you could pull it down and it could be off the shoulder. But it's super cute. Look at the color. It's so cute. This is the back. Let me show you the length. We'll just have to do a little steam to get the wrinkles out. It's kind of clingy. It's a little bit short, but I love the top. I think I'm going to try to order some tops off of there, because this time I just ordered dresses. But I'm definitely interested in ordering just the tops. But this is so cute. I wish it'd come in just the top to wear with like laid back some jeans or something. That'd be super cute. So overall, I like this one. All right, let's see what else we got. Look at this polka dot girl. So this one is a red polka dot, and same material. This is how it looks. It's got that plunge neckline. So it does have the little holes right here, so you could put the wrap. It has a little wrap belt. It has a little ruffle sleeves. And same thing on the bottom. So let's try it on and see what it looks like. So this is it. It's super cute. I love it. It's got the little wrap right here. I don't know if you should wrap it in the back. I just wrapped it on the side. Super cute. I love it. It feels so nice and like airy, just for summer, and a little red dress. It is, that's how short it is. So cute. Lady in red. Alright, you don't want to hear my tunes. You don't want to hear my tunes. Alright, let's see what else we got. I'll pick up is this one. This one is a little different than the other ones. Look at this. So cute, and it's longer. So cute. All right, let me try it on. It's got like this kind of stretchy material at the top. The sleeves are the same material. It's off the shoulder. It's got a slit all the way up right here. Super cute. So let's see what it looks like. All right, this is that one. I didn't know I was gonna like this because how it's made, but it is super cute. Like the color is like this burnt, you know, sienna color. Super cute. This is the back. This is the front, how it looks. I'll show you the bottom. The length is really nice. It's really flowy. I could see like walking on the beach. Yeah. Super cute. Super cute. All right, on to the next one. I didn't realize how much stuff I got. I think this is just a top, so we'll wait to that for last. This one looks like just a top too, so I did get some tops. I think, let's see, looks like this is the last two dresses. This one looks like another red dress. So things go super quick on Shein that I realized. So I put stuff in my cart and like it's gone. Okay, I don't know. Let's see. This This is so cute. Oh my gosh. It is see-through though, so keep that in mind. It's a little see-through. I mean, it's not too thin. The material is basically the same material. It looks like it ties at the top over your shoulder. It's got the fluffy. It's got the flowy at the bottom. It's red with hearts. Super cute. Super cute. Let me put it on and see what it looks like. Alright. So, other than this area, it is so cute. I really wish that it would fit in the top, but right here it doesn't cover anything. Like, my boobs are just like, bam. So, this one's a no, but it's so cute. The bottom is so cute. I love it. I just wish it fit better in the top. I don't know who's wearing these tops, girls, but it's super flowy. It's super cute. I really wished it worked, but it doesn't. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one. This is the last dress. Hopefully it works. So that was 2 items out of all of them that did not work. And it's all because of the top. So this is super cute. I'm going to go ahead. See, this is a wrap one again. So, I don't know. Let me go ahead and try it on. But it's the same material. It's really long. But this one wraps. This is the sleeves. This is what it looks like. So, let me go ahead and try this bad boy on. So, I wanted to show y'all how bad the top is. Just like with the other ones, it's the same way. I put on a little white top on, but look at it. There's no way for me to wear this. But the bottom is super cute. I mean, it's really pretty. I don't even know if I could go up one size. I mean, how much more material would I need? Would I have to go up like 3 sizes? I don't know. But it's really long and cute. It has a tie. It's super cute. Oh, I got 2 tops. Let's pull the little blue one out. So this is 3 outfits that has no for me. So this is the top. Oh, look how cute. Alright, hopefully it fits. It looks a little plungy again. It's like there's no space for your breast. Yeah, I don't know. Because then it would be over this. So let me go throw on a pair of jeans or something and see how it works out. Look at it. It's like that really pretty blue with the polka dots. I love it. It's super cute. It's got these little super cute, super cute. One size bigger and I think it will fit perfect. But it is super cute. Alright, so the last item is going to be another top. I would think it's a top because it's small. I wouldn't think it's a dress. Okay, let's see. Okay, what did you order, Sarah? I don't know. There's no... This is a wrap shirt. So, yeah. No. We'll try, but I don't know if it's going to happen. Alright, so once again, I had to put the white top underneath because it does not fit. I mean, I don't understand. Like, you're going to need more. So I don't, maybe I would have to upsize like 2 times. So I ordered all larges. That's 8 to 10 supposedly for US. But I think it's super cute if it fit, but it doesn't fit. I mean, I couldn't wear it like this. I guess you could wear it like this with a little crop top underneath. But I mean, maybe. We'll see. Alright guys, and I think that's it. So this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I was super excited to share my first Shein haul with y'all. And hopefully there'll be many more. So hope y'all enjoyed. Until next time guys, y'all stay blessed.